Haircut tutorial. Spray the hair with water. Divide the hair at the back. Clip the second part on up. Trim the lower part layers.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Next, the second part, trim hold and fingers to adjust for trimming layers. And the third part, trim hold and fingers to adjust for trimming layers.
Keep the sky on your mind.
Then use size 1 inch in clipper. Razor the back barbers. Next, use blade to shave side by side and clean the excess hair.
Fly so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever.
Next, the right side, divide the hair. Clip the second part on up. Trim the lower part layers and open ears. Then the second part, trim hold and fingers to adjust for trimming layers. Then the left side, divide the hair. Clip the second part on up. Trim the lower part layers in open ears. And the second part, trim hold in fingers to adjust for trimming layers. Next, comb the hair side by side and back for retouching the hair. Trim hold and fingers to adjust for trimming layers. Then use size 1 inch in clipper, razor side by side barbers, and use blade to shave clean the excess hair. Use comb and scissor for retouching the barbers side by side and back. Then trim the bangs. Next, blow dry the hair. Use comb brush until the hair is dry and barber brush with powder to clean the neck and face. The final look, Frenchcut barbers for women.